Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from class C of the D3 Nursing Education Program at UPI Sumedang Campus. Today we will present a presentation on the topic of healthcare. For any technical, 1, 5 minutes for presentation, 2, on camera when you present. Okay, the first for presentation is Ahmad Syahril.
Okay, thank you. Problem for me for now is suspect. The main problem suspect. The main problem is that a suspect isn't primarily gain a through crunch or sit up or athletics process. The vast majority of your suspect abs is simple due to nutrition. In fact, he estimates that suspect abs are probably about 19% the result of eating less. So, suspects don't automatically make you fit, but they also don't mean you are underweight or addicted to exercise. Therefore, the solution is 1. Pay attention to carbohydrate intake. Strict low-carb diets are not good because they decrease the body ability to replenish glycogen. A strict carbohydrate diet makes it difficult and maintains your muscles are active tissues that need constant energy to and maintain to lose fat. 2. Add lots of protein. Include protein-rich food in your staple diet as they will help build lean muscle as well as help burn body fat. Also, you will be surprised to know that that of all the macronutrients, and protein has the highest thermogenic effect on your body. It helps the body in breaking down a lot of calories. Thank you.
Okay, raise hand for the next presentation. Tatang.
Yes, thank you. A healthy heart can be done with a few simple steps such as living a healthy lifestyle and diets. Maybe you and also often had doctors recommend regular exercise, maintaining an ideal body weight, and not smoking. This is because some of these steps are an effective method for managing heart health. 1. Stay away from bad habits such as smoking and consuming alcohol. 2. Exerting regularity. 3. Take care of food intakes. 4. Get enough rest and manage stress. 5. Perform regular health training. Managing heart healthy can be started by getting us to healthy lifestyle. In the addition to the step above, you are also addicted to manage stress and check your healthy regulation to the doctor so that your health healthy is maintained. Thank you.
Okay, the next presentation is Dika.
Thanks for the time. The problem factor that affect children mental. Understanding children mental health is how children think and feel about themselves and the world around them. Therefore, mental health is related to how children face challenge in life. Think of a child having mental problem. There are three main factors that have influence on mental health in children. Number one, namely family, community, and government. Change in children behavior that parents should be aware of. The mental condition of the child will very easily have an impact on the child behavior. This change in behavior may be to something that interferes with the child mental or emotional state, and this can affect the child mental health and development. Think of a child having mental problem. Number one, change in thinking. Number two, change in feeling. Number three, behavior change. Number four, physical change. Tip for teaching children to maintain mental health. Number one, teach children how to manage emotion. Number two, solving problem and adapting to the environment. Number three, teach children how to develop and maintain loving, respectful, and happy relation. Number four, meeting psycholog need for security, strength, pleasure, freedom, and love every day. Thank you.
Okay, the next presentation, me. Hello, good morning. My name is Nikita Iksanti Fatima. Here I will present material about health public service. 1. Understanding health service. Health service are subsystem of health service whose main objective are promotive or maintaining and improving health, preventive or prevention, curative or healing, and rehabilitation or recovery. Health of individuals, families, group or communication, and the environment. The process is an activities that serves to change the input so that the product something output that is planned. Output are the things produced by the process. Impact is the result produced by the output after some time. Feedback is the result of the process as well as input for the system. The environment is the world outside the system that affect the system. Function and objective of health service. 1. Promotive. 2. Preventive. Prevention of people who are at risk and disease. Consists of primary prevention, secondary preventive, tertiary prevention. 3. Curative or curing disease. 4. Rehabilitation recovery. Next, form of health service based on the level, namely 1. First level health service, 2. Second level health, 3. Third level. Next, system health service camp, public health service camp. The following is the schematic along with example and picture of public health service. Input, process, output, impact, feedback, and environment. Type of health service. 1. Medical service. 2. Public health service. Next, health referral. 1. Technology revenge. 2. Reference facility. 3. Operational referral. 4. Medical referral. That's all I can reconfirm. Sorry if there are any mistakes. Thanks for your attention. Next for presentation is Resta.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Resta, and I want to tell about three topics. First is healthy lifestyle during the COVID-19 pandemic. The current COVID-19 pandemic has forced us to limit our activities outside the home. As a result, we also have to study and work from inside the house. Order to avoid crowds and gather in crowded places. Many say that staying at home during the COVID-19 pandemic is a good. moment for the body to obtain balanced nutrition. Arrange the food menu for us and our families so that they still meet the complete nutritional elements in the appropriate amount, so that there is no more and no less. We can apply the concept of my eating plate, which meet the rules of balanced nutrition. Here is the contents of my dinner plates, which consists of: first half of a serving plate consists of vegetables and fruits of various types and colors. A quarter of serving plate is filled with protein, but animal like eggs, chicken, fish, meat, and vegetables is not. And third, a quarter of the serving plate filled with complex carbohydrates is rice or grains. And fourth, complete with healthy oil like oil, soy, corn, or canola, avoid oils that contain saturated fat of high cholesterol. Uh, and various ways and tips have been done to make the days while at home. Due to coronavirus pandemic remain productive, start working as usual, study regularly, and do other activities. One important thing, all activities carried out should be able to bring our physical and mental condition to be well maintained and not be disturbed. It is the it is it has to do with the body immune system. As is known, low immunity may be the result of expectancy, physical and mental disorders. It has potential to make
Ajita,
use.
sorry,
Yeah.
stop for presentation. Next for Nengrika.
Problem health care for the body. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not simply the absence of disease or infirmity. In the understanding of health has shifted over time. The development of digital-based health high technology has made it possible for everyone to study and assess themselves and active participate in the health promotion movement. Various social factors affect health conditions such as individual behavior, social condition, genetic and biology, healthcare, and the physical environment. Organs are the composition of various body tissues that work together to perform organ function. The health of the body organ must be maintained so that the body remains whole. The following are ways that can be done to take care of the body organ to that there are always health. 1. Drink enough water. 2. Reduce saturated fat intake. 3. Eat nutrition food. 4. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Thank you.
Okay, next for Azahra.
Health care about diabetes. Treatment will be tailored the type of diabetes the patient has. Insulin therapy is one of the treatment that can be done by people with type 1 and type 1, 2 diabetes. Men will people with type 1, 2 diabetes will be given several types of drugs to treat type 1 diabetes. However, generally, there are several treatments that must be done to lower the risk of diabetes, such as 1. doing a healthy eating pattern. If you have diabetes, you should recognize a healthy diet. Focus on consuming fruit, vegetables, plant protein, and whole grains. Not only that, you also need to consume fiber and reduce several types of food, such as food that contains saturated fat, refined carbohydrate, to artificial sweetener. You can ask the doctor directly through Halodoc for the diet for people with diabetes. 2. Routine physical active. Everyone certainly needs physical active to maintain optimal health, including people with diabetes. Exercise is an activity that can be done to lower blood sugar level by turning it into energy. You can
Azahra, sorry for the time. Next for season 2. Okay, thanks for your submitting the material. Next for season 2.
Cuma Yola,
Okay, for season 2, the next for presentation is Asri. I take the title of heart health. What is heart disease? Heart disease is a condition when the heart is described. The form of the disorder itself varies. It can be in the form of disorders of the heart blood cells, heart valves, of heart muscle. Heart disease can also be caused by infection or bleed defects. The four most common types of heart disease are: number one, coronary heart disease; number two, congenital heart disease; number three, endocarditis; number four, arrhythmia. The four types of heart disease above can be prevented by improvement a healthy livers that support heart health. Among others, dying heart screening from a young age, screening regular, and screening that there's a nutrition food intake for the heart by increasing the consumption of fiber foods. That is all, and thank you. Next for Sylvie.
Okay, thanks. Her real presentation about student mental health during the COVID-19 pandemic. Namely, Livana, Mobin, and Bastomi research show that the cause of student strain during the COVID-19 pandemic is learning achievement. The text of learning becomes a natural thing in the world of education, especially students, but this causes psychology problems. One of the psychology problems that can be experienced is depression. Depression is a common disorder in college counseling center. Various stressful events related to the depression systemic are mainly due to new challenges and stress from academic life, family, and social domains. It increases depression among college students. Depression is a serious mental illness, actually characterized by feeling of sadness or anxiety. Most college students feel sad or anxious at times, but this emotion actually fades quick with a fast day. Thanks.
The next for presentation, Sophie.
Okay, thanks.
I will be present is healthcare about community nutrition. Community nutrition service is an activity or service that aim to improve the nutrition quality of individuals and communities, among others through improved food consumption factors, improving nutrition conscious before behavior, and increasing access and quality of nutrition and health service in accordance with advances in science and technology. In the community, effort to improve community nutrition are aimed to improve the nutrition quality of individual and communities. Effort to improve nutrition are carried out by nutrition work at the Puskesmas together with the local community. The activities are carried out inside and outside the building and in collaboration with cross-program and cross-sector. Effort to improve nutrition are carried out throughout the life cycle from in the womb to the elderly with priority to vulnerable groups. One, infant and toddler. Two, adolescent girls. And three, pregnant woman and breastfeeding mother. Thank you. Next, Fatia.
Okay, I will explain about healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle is a long-term commitment to maintain or do something to be able to support body function, so that it has a good impact on health. Some effort that can be done to implement a healthy lifestyle are maintaining health, food intake with diet and nutrition, exercising, doing positive activities to avoid stress, and much more. By doing this, the quality of life can be improved and have a positive impact on the environment. The importance of a healthy lifestyle is adopting a healthy lifestyle is also the most important thing, because according to the World Health Organization, unhealthy diet and lack of physical activity are major global health risk factor. Moreover, with advance in food technology, the production of processed food is also increasing. Not only that, because of the ease of technology, and an unhealthy lifestyle makes the body vulnerable to various types of health problems such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Effort a healthy lifestyle is eat healthy food with the nutrition, exercise regularly, manage stress, improve sleep time, drink enough water, and avoid soft drink. And benefits of a healthy lifestyle is maintain a regular weight, improve mood, prevent dangerous disease, boost energy, and extend lifestyle. Okay, that's I can explain. Thank you for attention.
Okay, thank you. The topic is healthcare during pandemic. During this pandemic, we are required to do all activities at home, such as work from home, study from home, shopping online, and meeting other people virtually. Doing all activities from home makes us less movement like before the pandemic. It causes us to get tired easily sleepy because all day long just sitting and staring at the computer screen. Therefore, it is very important to maintain health during this pandemic, including by way of healthy lifestyle, namely exercising every morning to increase the body's immunity so that it is not easy to contract diseases. Eating foods that contain vitamins that are very beneficial for the body, getting enough sleep, taking care of environment around the house to keep it clean and beautiful, and keep the mind from stress. By living a healthy lifestyle, we can keep our bodies healthy. Thank you.
Next for presentation, Reza.
Okay. I will present material promotion healthcare in the community. Health promotion is the process in improving and protecting public health, both individual, population, and community health. Main goal of health promotion. All health promotion activities have the aim of providing information to the public regarding all matter aimed at improving the quality of health, both individual and public health. The health promotion program aims to involve and empower individual and community to behave in a health manner. The program also seeks behavioral change to reduce the risk of the getting sick. Health promotion program should be implemented in various places, including in village. Village community can benefit from health promotion. What are the concepts of health promotion? 1. Inflating clean and healthy lifestyle. 2. Wash hands with soap. 3. Eat healthy foods as fruit and vegetable. 4. Do not litter doing community service to create a healthy environment. 5. Using health service. 6. Live a healthy lifestyle with family member. Okay, thank you.
Next for Mariam.
Okay, problem about obesity. Obesity is a condition imbalance between incoming energy with the energy that comes out in the time which is out. The amount of energy consumption of digested food exceeds the energy consumption used for metabolism and activity daily. This excess energy will be stored in the form of fat and fat tissue so you can gain weight against it. High energy intake caused by consumption of food such as high energy and fat while expenditure low energy due to lack of physical activity and sedentary lifestyle. Obesity and overweight are two different things. However, so both of them show excessive fat accumulation in the body, which is characterized by an increase in body mass index value of about normal.